Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I hope wherever you are in the world today has been treating you well. In today's video I'm going to be diving into a PLOUISE budget box. It has been months since I've had one of these. I just get them as and when. I haven't subscribed to the whole year. I just pick when I want to get each one. So this month I decided to take a risk, and it is a risk because quite often with the PLOUISE budget boxes they show you what you're going to get in them, but a lot of the time it's like a choice of 2 palettes, or you could get skincare, you could get makeup. In this month's budget box there were a choice of 2 eyeshadow palettes. One of them was a beautiful rainbow bright eyeshadow palette, all of the colours under the sun. And then the other option was like a monotone, grey, cool toned, smoky palette. I know which one I want. I haven't opened the box yet, so we're gonna go through this together. We are going to find out together if I have made a mistake. I will say, if I have gotten the grey, cool toned palette, I will be giving it away. I don't want it. So that's the risk that you take a lot of the time with the PLOUISE budget boxes. A lot of the time it is like, it could be one thing or another, and perhaps you'd be happy with either, but perhaps you want what you want. And then I can't remember what the other products are that are in it because it's been so long since I actually looked up what the sneak peek was. So this is the box that it came in. So often, you know, I get all of these things delivered to my workplace, and so often things will be delivered and whoever it is that's at the front like receiving the parcel will be like, it's a pink box, it's for Millie. And it was with this one. So let me get my little snippy scissors and let's get into the budget box. So I will say all of the PLOUISE packaging is beautiful. Like, you could absolutely keep this and like use it under the Christmas tree, you know. It's beautiful and it's so like, it's so substantial. But let's rip off the seal, which I always struggle with. Wow. And let's see together if I have got the eyeshadow palette that I actually want. So let's open her up, and everything is always very, very well packaged. So I'm gonna leave the eyeshadow palette for last. I'm gonna build a little bit of suspense. It is wrapped in bubble wrap, so I can't see what it is. So what have we got here? Oh, 2 little things. One being a lanyard. PLOUISE, you are so charming neck lanyard. And a keyring. PLOUISE, you are so charming PYP. Oh, protect your pout. Is there actually lip balm in that? Look how tiny that is. Is there actually lip balm in this? I need to know. I am not interested in the lanyard. No. That is just a key ring that looks like a lip balm. But I mean, you could just get a PLOUISE lip balm that is actually a lip balm that can attach onto your keys. This bit seems like gimmicky and like, I don't know. I might be able to put those on Vinted or something. I am not going to use those. Then there is also lashes. Says mirror magic. If you can see it, you can be it. Mirror magic. Reflect what you see. If you can see it in your head, you know it can be. Love that. So there's 3 different sets there. The ones, if I try and angle it so it's not reflecting my ring light, the ones at the top look more, I mean, they're all quite dramatic, but they're a little bit less dramatic. And those ones at the bottom are not my style. They look very long. Potentially a lot longer than I would enjoy. So far 0 out of 3. But next up we have got the Bad Bee Energy in Black Cherry. Well, I am so on board with a cherry scented lip balm. I can't even remember what comes in these. A Stay Shining lip oil and a Protect Your Pout lip conditioner. So that one, got another one. That's fine. I will say that I don't like that you get so many of these. So often in the budget boxes you will get one of these and it's just, there's only so much lip balm that one gal can use. Like, I will never, I think I've had 3 of these in the budget boxes that I have bought just in this year. I'm never gonna need another PLOUISE lip balm ever again, but I am also opening this one and interested to see what it smells like. So let's start with, ooh, the lip oil. So this is like clear down at the bottom, so it's purple. I can get on board with a purple tinted lip balm. Ooh, oh, that is actually making my mouth water. Yes, PLOUISE, you have done a thing there. That's incredible. Let's see how pigmented that is. I will say, do not judge the allergic reaction that I'm having on my hands. But that is not tinted at all. Can you see that? It's not really that purple at all, which is fine by me. Then let's see what the lip conditioner, oh, do you see what something smells like? Let's smell the lip conditioner. Yeah, that smells the same. So this is Black Cherry, and it doesn't say, they do have like tingly ones of these, and it doesn't say that this one is a tingly one, which is my preference. So I've got another PLOUISE lip balm. I'm not mad. I'm really not mad because they are lovely. They are my favourite lip balms. I use the, what even is it, Blue Raspberry? Yeah, Blue Raspberry. I use this every single night as like a overnight lip treatment sort of thing. So let's finally get into whatever this eyeshadow palette is. Oh, it's so heavy. Every cloud has a silver lining. Do we think? I think that this is the grey one. I think that this is the one that I don't want. So ultimately I've paid 30 quid for this. Let me see, it might not be, but it sounds like it is. I mean, it's pretty, it really is. Like the packaging, the design, everything is very, very pretty. It's obviously very substantial. Like when I tell you this is weighty, like this is all magnetic, it's beautiful, the packaging and everything, but I am not going to use these shades. I have a number of grey toned palettes already and I don't use them because I'm not a grey toned kind of gal. And also it says that this is palette for eye and face, but all of these are just eyeshadow pan sizes. So I'm not sure, but yeah. If you got this budget box and you wanted to receive the Every Cloud Has a Silver Lining grey toned palette, how do you close this? Oh, like that. If you received this box, if you bought this box and you got the rainbow colourful palette and you wanted the silver palette, which I'm desperately trying to get back in its box, there we go. If you wanted this one, please message me on Instagram, we can swap because I don't want this. So yes, I ultimately have paid £30 plus £1 delivery for a lip balm and lip oil set that ultimately I didn't need, because if you wanted this eyeshadow palette, £30 for this whole set is incredible. This will probably retail for like 48 by itself, just this palette, because like I say, it's huge. It's, I don't even know how many shades, I didn't count. Of course it doesn't say, but however many shades there are in here, this will retail for a lot more than the £30, so it makes sense. But also, I don't want that. I'm not fussed about the lashes because I don't wear lashes, and when I do, I wear like a half lash, like a tiny little something. I am not going to use a lanyard. I don't work in an environment where I need a lanyard. I am not going to use this. And I didn't need the lip oil. So not thrilled. Not thrilled at all, but it is the risk that you take. If you weren't bothered which eyeshadow palette you get, the box is an incredible value, but I was, and now I'm disappointed. So how do I end this video? I'm going to try and put a positive spin on it. If you want this and you've got the rainbow one and you're happy to swap, message me on Instagram. I will swap with you. If you want to buy this off me, I'm probably going to put it on Vinted, or I might give it away if nobody wants it, like nobody wants to pay for it. I don't know. I don't know how I proceed. I mean, I proceed by going and getting myself a cup of tea because I'm very cold. But that is the PLOUISE unboxing. I was hoping that I would be able to do like a video trying on the eyeshadow palette, and I can't do that now because I'm not trying on that grey one. But until next time, when hopefully things are a little bit more positive, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.